right, it's just too hot to do stuff outside. Hey, it's Marjorie with the Asking Spot. So, I can't spend all my time inside doing embroidery, although I am working on it. I thought, what the heck? Let's do some thrifting. Come with me. All right, the plan is to get a basket. Yes, I know. We have baskets. Lots of baskets.
It's a bit much.
But we have lots of stuff, and there's an area where the Wii Fit and all its little remote controls and stuff. I just want to have a basket to put that stuff in. So a good sized basket, hopefully with a lid. Second thing, if you've watched my music challenge, well, you know that my dad's been suffering from dementia. Well, he's now in assisted living and getting care that way. I would like to be able to hang out and visit with him and do something, hopefully, that's still in his memory banks, because it comes and it goes. He has good days and bad days. And if I catch him on a good day, he used to love to play cribbage. So I don't know how to play cribbage. I thought I'd see if I could pick up a cribbage board at some thrift store and have my dad teach me how to play. Woohoo! So the first place is my favorite place. And this place is pretty close by, and it is my favorite because it's also a thrift charity shop. So things I buy here and get a great deal on, it benefits this charity, and it's run by all volunteers. So World Attic Thrift Shop is where I am, and I love stuff in here. I can get lost for at least an hour in here because it just has so many things, and not just clothes, but dun da da da. My favorite part is the furniture. Now, this piece caught my eye. It's so gorgeous. It's such a quality, wonderful piece. Yeah, it needs a little care, but it would look great in a house. Not my house, wouldn't fit, and unfortunately, the price they have on this, it's kind of more of what I would sell after I worked on it. Yeah, I just couldn't do it. Yeah, but loved it. Ooh, but this place also, in the very far back corner, there's crafting items. See that gold piece there and all this gold? I thought of Dazzling Designs by Denise when I saw that. But they've got loads of crafting stuff here. And yes, seasonal decor. I kind of liked looking at the Christmas stuff. It made me think of cooler times. But here's what I came for, the game area. Looking, there it is. That's it, the cribbage board. Now, the steel part in the back that holds the things, it wasn't opening, so I went ahead and moved on to the next store. It's super baking hot. Moving on, headed off to Goodwill. Just snapped a picture while I was running into the place. I did want to show you this though. Don't buy a lamp before checking out your thrift and consignment shops because, wow, they have lots of them. I'm even trying to film around people, so there's more. There's also my baskets. Found plenty here. There was some at the last place. I will note, I'm proud of myself. I resisted the urge to pick up any of these plaques because, gosh, I love upcycling those. But no, I'm staying on task. Finally, to the third place. This is one of my favorites. It's a consignment shop, and it has right next door to one of my favorite little grocery marts that I get treats for myself there. Love it. But this place has loads of wedding dresses. And if you know a good seamstress in your area, you could save a lot of money going and getting your wedding dress from a place like this rather than buying it brand new. Oh, another thing, the lamps they have here are better than the ones we had in the last store because they had lampshades. Lampshades can be pricey. But as far as baskets, not so much, and I didn't really care for the price. So passed on this and went back. Kind of made a rookie mistake having to go back because basically nothing's perfect. If it's on your list, get it. Fix it later. Okay, so I got the basket for the lot of Wii Fit stuff. And yeah, I know it still looks like a cluttered mess here, but that's the beauty of baskets though, is when company comes, it's easy to just grab them and hide them. Then I got the other basket because, well, it was too cute not to, and I'm sure we'll find something to put into it. Also picked up something I wasn't looking for, but it is something I kind of need. You know, I got that whole embroidery thing.
Obsessed.
Oh, yeah. Needed the frame. It's not going to look this way though forever because it's a future project. Going to change it up. Might want to click subscribe so you can check that out in the future. And then we have the big thing, the cribbage board. Now, when I saw it in the store, I didn't buy it at first. I actually came back for it just because the back was sticking so much. Took some pliers to get that back metal part out. But once I did get it out, I was happy to see all the pegs were there. I went ahead and filed the inside glide and waxed it so now it slides in and out much easier. Unfortunately though, somewhere along the lines, I lost one of the red pegs. Not a problem. I had scrap tongue depressors from that table I made. And yeah, so I just chopped off a little of that, used a Sharpie, made it red, put a little Mod Podge on it to seal it, and I have another peg. And best of all, I'm now off to go see my dad, hang out with him while I learn how to play cribbage. Thanks so much for watching The Asking Spot. So, in the end, I ended up getting like everything all from the first place.